Stop wasting time switching between Premiere Pro and After Effects with tedious exporting and importing, and learn how to link them together for a game-changing workflow. First, open your project in Adobe Premiere Pro. Make sure you have a sequence created that contains the footage you want to use in After Effects. Select the clip or clips in your Premiere Pro timeline that you want to work with in After Effects. Right-click on the selected clips in your timeline. In the context menu that appears, navigate to the Replace with After Effects Composition option and click on it. After Effects will now open and you will find a new composition. This composition contains your footage from Premiere Pro because of dynamic link. If you make changes to your clip in Premiere Pro, like adjusting the length or replacing a different shot, these modifications will auto-update in your After Effects composition. Now, you can add visual effects, motion graphics, or any other effects for your project in this composition. Make your edits and modifications right here, and those effects will be sent or dynamically linked back to Premiere Pro instantly. When you go back to Premiere Pro, you will see that your clips have been replaced with comp files. These are linked directly to your After Effects project. Any changes you make in After Effects will automatically reflect in Premiere Pro. That's all it is. This dynamic link will also allow you to directly open an After Effects project from Premiere Pro and vice versa. This not only saves you time and effort, but it also ensures your project is kept up to date. Now you have an exponentially more efficient and amazing workflow. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and click the notification bell for more filmmaking tips.